Microsoft Windows 11 has been out for over 2 years now, but something isn't quite right with Microsoft's latest operating system. Despite the sleek new design and promised improvements, many users and tech experts have identified serious problems that go beyond mere growing pains. The most immediate issue many users face is the controversial hardware requirements. Windows 11 demands TPM 2.0, secure boot capability, and relatively recent CPU generations. These stringent requirements have left millions of perfectly capable computers unable to upgrade officially, creating an artificial obsolescence that seems more about driving new computer sales than actual technical necessity. Performance issues plague Windows 11, despite Microsoft's claims of optimization. Many users report slower boot times compared to Windows 10 on identical hardware. Background processes consume more resources than before, and the system frequently experiences unexplained stuttering during everyday tasks. These performance problems are particularly frustrating, given that one of the selling points was supposed to be improved efficiency. Privacy concerns have intensified with Windows 11. The operating system collects unprecedented amounts of telemetry data by default. Microsoft has made opting out of data collection increasingly difficult, burying these settings deep within the system. The required Microsoft account for home users creates another layer of data collection that many find intrusive and unnecessary. The user interface redesign has introduced significant usability problems. The centered taskbar cannot be moved to other screen edges, as in previous versions. Right-click context menus have been simplified to the point of requiring extra clicks for common functions. The Settings app remains incomplete, forcing users to juggle between it and the legacy control panel for complete system management. Update reliability continues to be problematic. Critical updates have caused system instability, broken functionality, and even data loss for some users. Microsoft's testing process appears insufficient, with paying customers essentially serving as beta testers for updates that should have been thoroughly vetted before release. Third-party software compatibility issues persist 2 years after launch. Many professional applications, particularly in specialized industries, still experience problems running on Windows 11. This forces businesses to choose between upgrading their operating system or maintaining critical software functionality. Perhaps most concerning is Microsoft's shift toward a more controlled ecosystem. The company has made it increasingly difficult to set default applications away from Microsoft's own offerings. Browser choice, PDF handling, and media playback all face artificial hurdles when attempting to use non-Microsoft solutions. The push toward Microsoft services extends to aggressive integration of Microsoft Teams, OneDrive, and other subscription services directly into the operating system. Users face constant prompts and suggestions to use these services, blurring the line between operating system and commercial products. For many users, these issues represent a fundamental shift in Microsoft's approach to Windows. Rather than an operating system that serves the user's needs, Windows 11 increasingly feels like a platform designed to serve Microsoft's business interests first, with user preferences and control becoming secondary considerations. While some issues may be addressed in future updates, the underlying philosophy driving these changes suggests that Windows 11 represents a new direction for Microsoft, one that prioritizes ecosystem control, data collection, and subscription revenue over the flexibility and user control that defined earlier Windows versions. The question remains whether Microsoft will listen to user feedback and course correct, or if Windows 11 marks the beginning of a more restricted computing future for the world's most widely used desktop operating system.